Hi, I'm Chen Xuan, and today I'm going to share my capstone project, which explored how we can creatively bring traditional Chinese art with modern digital media. And my case is focusing on the Luoshan shadow puppet and its reinterpretation using projection, lighting, and interaction technologies. As Paul said, our artistic techniques are evolving rapidly, and this shift fundamentally changes our relationship with traditional art forms. With digital media now dominating our visual culture, traditional Chinese arts are like shadow puppet are facing a risk of fading away. So my project responds to this by reimagining shadow puppet through a new media lens. My work centers on the Luoshan shadow play, The Real and Fake Monkey King, a classic from Journey to the West. There are two Monkey Kings, both claiming to be the real one. Their companions cannot tell who is real and who is fake. And through a series of trolls and the Buddha help, the truth is finally revealed. I choose this narrative because it reflects truth and illusion, which fits perfectly with the idea of real puppets versus digital shadows. The project compares traditional media like the physical puppet, curtain, and spotlight with digital media elements like projection mapping and interaction screens. The aim was to highlight the expressive differences while showing how both forms can coexist and enhance cultural storytelling. So for the prototype, I began by designing a stage setup that allows audiences to face both a traditional curtain and a digital screen. However, I encountered some challenges, like overly sharp lighting, unclear character roles, and visual interference between projection and LED. To address these issues, I adjust the lighting setup using a spotlight for stronger shadow contrast, and I changed the curtain material to one that balances structure and translucency, which allows shadow diffusion without losing form. I also refined the projection to display digital shadow figures rather than human actors, enhancing the visual metaphor and solving the issues of light shining into the audience's eyes. So the innovative aspect of my project was how I designed the interaction between the digital narrative and the physical puppet. By playing with the physical puppet, I created a dynamic dialogue between the puppets and the on-screen content. The story of the real and fake Monkey King is used as a metaphor for exploring the real and the fake. So in the interactive experiences, the audience interacts with the physical puppet to change its movement, and the shadow on the screen also narrates the narrative based on the movement of the real shadow puppet. To realize this idea, I used a variety of technologies. I used ZBrush to create a 3D model of the Monkey King, which was designed in the style of the Luoshan shadow puppet, and I also rigged the 2D animation. And I also applied 2D animation rigging to make it more flexible and responsive. For motion control, I used Teachable Machine to train a machine learning model based on two audience gestures, fight and stand still. And those gestures are recognized in real time and connect to Unity animations. When the audience makes the fight gesture, the puppet starts the fight animation, and when the audience stands still, the puppet slows down or pauses. The entire system enables an interaction storytelling experiences where the audience action directly affect the narrative flow. And then I will show the visuals I made from Touch Designer, ZBrush, Rococo, and Teachable Machine.